Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Samsung messages RCS not working. So if you want to use the RCS messages or RCS chat on your Samsung phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now for you to fix Samsung messages RCS not working, you must be using the Google messages on your Samsung phone. If you stick to the default Samsung messages, you'll not be able to use RCS. So the RCS is mainly for Google messages and not for Samsung messages. Now, for you to use RCS on your Samsung, the first thing you want to do is you want to set the Google messages as your default message app. To do this, go to settings. On the settings, scroll down and then click on apps. So scroll down to apps, click on it, select choose default apps, come to SMS app, then choose Google. So go ahead and select the first option, which is the Google message. Now close settings. Press and hold the Samsung message icon. Click on remove. We are not uninstalling or deleting this. Then go to app menu, search for messages. Then press and hold the Google Messages app. Click on add to home screen. Then from the home screen, drag it to where you deleted the Samsung messages. After that, open the Google Messages app. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Select Messages Settings. Select General. Under General, click on RCS Chat. Then once you click on RCS Chat, then you should see Turn on RCS Chat. If this is disabled, let's say this is disabled, go ahead and enable this. Then you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. This one is connected automatically because I have this same here. And then the other one, if it's not connected automatically, you need to verify it manually or change the RCS chat phone number. And then you're good. Then when next you want to send a message on your Google message, make sure the user is using RCS. So you can just come here. If the user is using RCS, just type in the username and then you should see RCS here instead of SMS. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to fix Samsung RCS message not working. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.